Hello, I'm Lowri Morgan and I'm here today to explore how archives preserve their material, what they do to make sure that the new material is ready to add to a collection and making sure that the collection is kept safe. Lydia Sterling, Conservator here at Glamorgan Archives. What have we got here then?
So what we've got here at the moment is a collection from the coal board records. Most of the books, you can imagine, they were held at the coal mines. They're covered in soot and coal dust. So the ladies are cleaning these off for us at the moment.
And once you've cleaned them, how do you go about preserving the collections?
So once they've been cleaned, they'll go into archival boxes and they'll then go into the strong rooms, which are temperature and humidity controlled.
And I'm sure you have many books in your collections.
Just a few, yeah.
Going back?
I think the oldest document is 1140.
Wow. So who are these wonderful ladies working here?
So these ladies all come from the Art Society. They've been with us for 3.5 years now, and they've worked on a number of different projects for us, cleaning various items.
So how would one do that then?
So if you go to our website, there's an application form on there. Just fill that in and email it to us, and we'll get back to you.
And one last question, Lydia. Do you think I can have a go, please?
Absolutely, yes.
Thank you. Gyda fi nawr mae Rhian sy'n ymddangos fi eisiau i lanhau y llyfr arbennig yma. Lle mae dechrau?
Wel nawr te, llyfr damweiniau hwn ydy gwir. A mae'n ddiddorol iawn achos wyt ti'n gweld ar yr ochr chwith, wyt ti'n gweld beth sydd wedi digwydd i'r claf, a wedyn fan hyn mae'r report wedyn i ddweud beth sydd wedi digwydd a pa mor ddrwg oedd y damwain, os licio di.
Waw, mae'r hanes ti sydd o fod yn darllen yn anghredadwy. Ers pryd ti wedi bod fan hyn?
Bron i 4 blynedd a hanner nawr.
Iawn.
Yeah. So, wedyn, da ni'n dod bob dydd Mawrth a pan da ni'n gallu, a wedyn da ni'n ymuno ac yn cael 2 awr fan hyn, tan tua hanner dydd.
Yeah. A gwneud ffrindiau?
Gwneud ffrindiau ac yn siarad ac yn mwynhau.
Gret, wel na i fynd ati i ni bach mwy o waith ten.
Na ni.
So felly, just glynhau y tudalen, ie? A wedyn beth mae'r brwsh ar gyfer?